All right, here's part 7 of Austin Powder Coat Volkswagen Type 3 cylinder tin installation. So now that we got the fan on, now we can install the outer fan shroud. There's one alignment pin right here. So it goes with this. So what we do, get it lined up, get it on like that. Now there's 8 bolts. I'm just using Allen heads because I like Allen heads. There's the second one here. And obviously I'm not putting them all the way on. This is a demonstration of where the bolts are. There's the third one. Fourth one's over here. The fifth one is easy to miss because it's down here by the alignment pin. It's up here in this corner. So it's easy to miss this one. See what I'm talking about? Easy to miss that one. Sixth one's down here. Seventh one is over here. And the eighth one, the last one, is right here. So there. That's all 8 of the bolts.